Let me show you what to do if your i12 earphones are not charging. Either the earphones themselves are not charging or the case is not charging. For example, if I insert in the case, as you see, the earphone maybe blinks, but actually it's not charging. So if you want to start charging, you have to actually simply turn on the case first. So you see, you'll press this button, the case will turn on, and only then the earphones will start to charge. So what if the case itself actually isn't charging for you? And how do you actually charge it? So you see on the bottom you have this port over here, and it uses this lightning port cable here. So we insert it here inside, and then to get it to charge, you simply insert it in any like USB, maybe wall adapter, or also maybe like a computer or PC. Also, what I noticed on these actually aren't working with all adapters. For example, I have like 3 different adapters, and it only worked with this adapter I have over here. So perhaps if it's also not charging for you, you can simply try a different power source, maybe like a computer, power bank, or other adapter. For example, if I insert in this one, so you see it instantly start to charge, and you should see like a red light blinking here. So you see the red light is blinking, that means it's charging. So also you see it's drawing power here. So again, I suggest to simply use different power source if it's not charging at first time. Also, the first time I actually got these were so discharged that it actually took maybe like 5 minutes before they started booting up and I could see any light. So again, if you still do not see anything, maybe literally just plugged in power and leave them for maybe like 5 or 10 minutes and see if then they start to charge. Also, for example, you can check basically if the cable is fitting as well. For example, this cable, in my opinion, is kind of wonky, so it's not even fitting properly. For example, you see, it feels as it's inserted, but it's actually still not. So again, you have to kind of wiggle it in all the way in. Also, you can maybe check if the pins on the charger maybe are dirty. You can clean them as well. And also maybe you can check the AirPods case themselves as well. For example, these Type-C ports actually often go dirty as well, so you can see if there's maybe something stuck inside the case. So what you can do is you can simply take maybe a tiny soy needle and clean out the port. So again, if you place this in the pocket, maybe some lint from your pockets gets simply trapped in the port and it simply clogs it up, and then again it won't charge. So you see, while holding your earphone like this, so you can take a needle basically, and so simply try to fish out any junk that might be coming out. So again, while holding like this, so again scoop inside and properly basically try to dislodge whatever is inside. Also maybe a tool like this is good, so a blower, so we can actually insert it nearby here, blow inside, and that also should get rid of all the junk from them, from this port essentially. And then again simply try again how it fits and if it's charging. Okay, good luck everyone.